When roads are heavily snowpacked or ice-covered, you may be called on to operate an ice blade. Here are techniques you should know. When ice blading, it is important that equal pressure be applied to both ends of the blade. Some blades have only one control, so applying equal pressure is not a problem. Other ice blades have two controls, one to raise and lower each end of the blade. When operating a two-lever blade, it can be difficult to tell when you have equal pressure on both ends of the blade. Veteran operators say that they can best tell by the way the truck engine is pulling or how they are sitting in the seat. The ice blade can be angled both left or right, depending on which direction you want to move the ice and snow. After setting the angle, make certain you put the locks in place. Setting the blade tilt or curl is critical when you are ice blading because you always want the sharpest edge of the blade in contact with the highway. If the front edge is the sharpest, then you want the blade to be tilted back. Likewise, if the back edge of the blade is the sharpest, you will get the greatest cutting action if the blade is curled forward. As an operator, you must frequently change the tilt or curl of the blade as the metal wears away. However, changes in blade angle require only a slight movement of the ice blade. Ice blading should only be done on hard surface roads. Never ice blade on a seal-coated surface. It can cause a great deal of damage to the road. As with plowing and winging, you must constantly be on the watch for obstructions that can do damage to the ice blade. Make certain you raise the blade when going over railroad tracks. Be especially aware of manholes and expansion joints that run at the same angle as your blade. Hitting a raised manhole with your ice blade is an experience you will not quickly forget. Some ice blades have trips to help reduce the jolt and damage caused by hitting a solid object. Others do not have trips. The best advice: drive with caution whenever you are ice blading. The recommended speed is 3 to 10 miles per hour. In addition to using the ice blade to break up and clear off ice and hard-packed snow, it can also be used during the plowing operation to help clear snow off the roadway. When used for snow clearing, the ice blade should be angled the same direction as your plow and dragged on the road surface. That means the blade should just touch the road with little or no downward pressure.